In this video, I'll guide you through how to get approved for options trading on Webull. If you've been curious about expanding your trading capabilities to include options, Webull provides a straightforward application process to get you started. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Webull app on your mobile device and sign in to your account. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions while navigating through the app. Once you're logged in, you'll see various options at the bottom of your screen. Tap the menu option, which will lead you to a broader selection of features within the app. Now, from the menu, you'll need to tap on Shortcuts and then select More. This will guide you to additional functionalities and settings that aren't immediately visible on the main interface. Scroll down until you reach the Account section. Here, you'll find a crucial option labeled Options Trading Level. Go ahead and tap on it. Next, you'll see an option to apply. Tapping this will initiate your application for options trading. At this point, Webull will prompt you to complete a questionnaire. This questionnaire is designed to assess your financial situation, investment experience, and risk tolerance. Be sure to answer all questions honestly. However, it's also important to demonstrate your understanding of basic options concepts like calls, puts, strike prices, and expiration dates. This knowledge will reflect your readiness to engage in options trading. Before you submit your application, ensure that your account is verified and in good standing. This is important because any pending verifications or issues might delay the approval process. Once you've submitted the application, Webull will review it. Typically, the review process takes between 24 to 48 hours, so keep an eye on your email or app notifications for any updates regarding your approval status. Once approved, you'll receive a notification and you'll be all set to start trading options on Webull. It's an exciting step towards diversifying your investment strategies and potentially increasing your trading profits. And that's how to get approved for options trading on Webull. By following these steps, you're well on your way to exploring the dynamic world of options trading. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on making the most of your trading platform. Happy trading!